It's my nephew's 3rd birthday. My little sister and my parents went all out for it. Look at this. It's kind of, yeah, so cute. They got this made. He loves little Einstein, so it's only right to have a little Einsteins themed party. My famous guacamole is in this bag right here. Snow cone machine, getting ready to get the lemonade snow cones popping. There's Quincy right there from Little Einsteins. And I'm bad because he's the only one's name I know. But it's nice, cute little park, Lomita, where my parents live, and my sister and Major. My little sister made these centerpieces, little gumballs. So cute. This is where the cake is gonna go, and here's the party favors, and there's Rocket, who's Major's favorite character on Little Einsteins. Birthday hats, party favors, cupcake picks. They're still at the house. We're almost ready. We're getting there, but cute little party favors with little dolls and books inside. Oh, that's cute for the babies. Elmo can quack like a duck. So, I'll see you guys a little bit more later for the party, once it's popping off. But it's so cute. I love what she's done with the place, don't you? There's lots of parties going on here. Yay! It's gonna be filled with kids in a very quick amount of time, so yeah. Babies! I am stuffing the piñata with candy for the party. Like 20 pounds of candy for the party. The worst possible job they could have given me, because I'm probably gonna eat all the candy. Let's just be honest. I'm a candy head. The first guest has arrived.
I got that.
Yasmin.
Yeah, I said that's what I meant.
There's his big head. That's the mommy. And it's raining, but we're still having fun. That's the food. And how cute is this piñata? Customized. That's all our loved ones gathering in the name of Stinky.
She's here for you.
Right there, my nephew's birthday boy.
Cheers. Birthday boy.
Got a face painter.
You don't need it.
We got this shirt made for him. It's custom made. That was his birthday present. He had it made. Cause he loves that. See, that's his TV show.
Yeah. I was trying to find something, but I couldn't find anything.
Say hi, Major.
Hello, happy birthday.
Yes,
Disney. Yeah, but I went on.
Major, are you gonna let me paint your face? You want on his arm? We can do that. Put your sweater on. Are we painting Rocket from Little Einsteins? Yes. Got it. Actually, there's one right over here we can show you. Oh, perfect.
Major, you gonna get your face painted? Where's he getting on his arm?
Yeah. He wants a tattoo.
He always wants
Sorry. Hi, Major. I'm Lulu. Nice to meet you. Okay, you want to sit down? I'll show you. I'll bring the rocket over. All right. Thank you guys for letting me
Look at the back of it, Donnie.
Yes,
Talk to you just like we talk.
I see you.
Well, that's a sure that you
That one, baby, because you're racing. So this is the one.
That's Big Jet, Des.
Oh, I thought you wanted. Or you want You which one? Little Einsteins, right? The one from the cake?
The one you learned it in, man.
Yeah, I heard about
Oh, right here.
This is February Park, because he plays soccer right now.
Yeah.
I want to get
I love those shoes, man. So cute, man. Thank you. You take a picture?
Oh, now I can take a picture of the cake.
Yeah, it's pretty.
That's very cool. Wow. I'm right here.
Turn around, but I told him,
Start the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You're just an LA girl